This will be a short video on how to change your own cabin air filter for your 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. I thank my dad for showing me how to be self-sufficient. My local Subaru dealership said that to exchange the cabin air filter, they would charge $56.99 before tax. The dealer offered the cabin air filter without labor for $27.93. Luckily for me, I have a savvy sibling, and in eBay's aftermarket price, this cabin air filter with tax was $12.84. Regardless of the option that you decide to buy your cabin air filter, learn the skill of how to exchange it out yourself because you'll save money on the labor. And I will show you how it's super easy that I was able to even do it with just one hand. So, changing out the cabin air filter, there's this little latch. You pull that in, you push it in a little bit to unlock that. You'll push this in as well, and it brings it down like this. And then we have this here on the inside. There's two little knobs here and here. You'll push it in and lift, push that in and lift to expose this right here. And then there's the filter that I'm changing out. It says up. Just remember the positioning of that. Quite dirty. Ooh. And there's even a little feather. Okay, so that will be garbage. This is the one right from Subaru, genuine parts. But there are off-brand ones that you can also do. So take that out of the bag. Put it back the way you saw it. It says up right there. Super clean. Stick it back in its little home like that. These little knobs. Put it back where it lives. Can't even do it with one hand. Very impressed. And then this thing, just put the latch back in like that, and that's it. Very easy. And there you go. Very good.